Dear students, now we have to discuss about the molecular formula, dot structure and the structural formula of the some of the organic compounds. Already we know how to write the molecular formula of the different type of the compounds already we know. By using that one, now we have to go through how to write the molecular formula, dot structure and the structural formula. By using the one example, now I am going to write the molecular formula, dot structure and structural formula of the one organic compound. Now I am going to take one example. What is that means? Ethane. I take on the one example, that is a ethane. So according to our formula, to write a molecular formula, first we have to understand to which group that is belonging. The word itself going to say what is that? ANE. ANE is there means that is belonging to the alkane. So now what is the general formula for the alkane? CN H2N plus 2. This is the general formula. Now what is the N value? For understanding, first we have to go through how the name is started. The name is started from the eth. Eth means that is according to our formula. Eth means that is N is equals to 2. Eth means 2. So N is equals to 2. So wherever N is there, just you have to put the 2. Now you are getting the molecular formula, that is C2 H2 into 2 plus 2. Now again C2 H 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, C2 H6. This is the molecular formula of ethane. Now we have to go through the dot structure. Before writing the dot structure, first we have to understand what is the valency of carbon. Next, what is the valency of hydrogen. Already we know what is the valency of the carbon. Carbon have the valency 4. Carbon valency is 4. And hydrogen, what is the valency of hydrogen? 1. So now we have to put the 4 dots for the each carbon. So now how many carbons are there here? 2 carbons are there. So 1 carbon, 1 carbon. According to our formula, for the 1 carbon, how much dots we have to put means 4 dots we have to put. Now I will going to put the 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is about the 1 carbon. But what about the next carbon? I will going to put the again 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now carbon, 2 carbons work is completed, but still H is there. So how many H is there here? 6 H is there here. So we have to put the for the 1 H, 1 dot we have to put. So I will going to write 1 H, it's 1 dot. Next again 1 H, it's 1 dot. Next again 1 H, 1 dot, 1 H, 1 dot, 1 H, 1 dot. Side only you have to write. Again 1 H is 1 dot. How many H is there? H means hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there here? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also in the formula how many hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen is there. So like this we have to balance the correct hydrogen atoms. Still not completed. Now I am going to draw the circle here. How to draw the circle is very important. Just you have to see how I am drawing the circles. So here these two dot structure that should come like this. You have to draw the circle. that two dot structure that should come in both, like this. This is the dot structure for the ethane. But what about the structural formula? Now I will going to write the structural formula for the ethane. What is that? How many carbon is there? First we have to understand how many carbon is there. How many carbon is there? 2 carbons. 1, 2. 2 carbon is there. I will going to write the 2 carbon. Next, in between the 2 carbon, how many dots are there? Only 2 dots. We have the one formula. What is that? 2 dots are there means that is only one bond. Next, 4 dots are there means that is double bond. And again another one, 6 dots are there means that is triple bond. Pair of dots means pair of electrons means that is a one bond. So here also in between the carbon and the carbon, how many electrons means how many dots are there? Only 2 dots are there. So according to our formula, how much bonds we have to put? Only one bond. I will go to put the one bond. Next, again from the carbon to upper side hydrogen, how many electrons means how many dots are there? 2 dots are there. Again here also upper side I will go to write the hydrogen also. Next, again here side also how many hydrogens are there? Only one hydrogen. And how many dots are there? 2 dots. Same to same in all the sides, like this only is there. 2 dots means 2 electrons are there. So I will going to write the only single bonds in all the sides. Like this we have to write the structural formula of the different type of the organic compounds. Very important for your examination. Okay, thank you.